Hey, what's up everybody? Jerry here, and I don't usually make a lot of videos, but I hadn't made one in a while, but I just wanted to make this one to update everybody, just to let you know that I'm still in the direct mailing business, and I'm still getting paid, still doing it, still making money. Checks are still coming in. See? So, just a little heads up everybody. I'm still around and I'm still making money. Checks are still coming in. I'm still getting paid. You can do it too. It's easy. Just sign up with the links below this video. Sign up at whatever level you want to get into and mail out about 100 a week, and you'll start seeing results too, and you're definitely going to get paid. I'm still getting paid, and I've been in it a while now. I mean, the checks are still coming in. I just don't make videos like most people. So, but just a little quick video to let you know that I'm still getting paid. The money's still coming in. All you got to do is sign up below and pick whatever package you want to start doing, and just mail out about 100 a week. You'll definitely start seeing results. I've been in it a while, and I mean the checks are still coming in, you know. So that's all I got to say for now. Y'all take care and have a great day.